Hi, I think everyone who uses Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis needs to export drawings to AutoCAD for further editing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export these drawings to AutoCAD. First of all, if you save this file, if you save the drawings from here, you save it as save as, and from here XF. Or in some versions of Autodesk Robot, you can save it in DWG and save it. Normally, AutoCAD cannot open that file because it says um, AutoCAD cannot open this file because it was created in a more advanced version of Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis. That means you need another software that can convert this file to a format that AutoCAD of any version can open it. So what to do? Well, go to this website that I'll provide in the description box below this video and download this file. After downloading, after downloading this file, install it in the normal way and restart your laptop. After restarting your laptop, start Autodesk Robot and go again to File, and you're gonna see this option, this new option, save drawing in a different format, and save it, for example, in anywhere, for example here, and save it. Once you go to your document, to your file, to your folder, you can open it. And here you go. This is the drawing in AutoCAD. That's it. Bye.